Impersonating a partner can give you access to the partner portal, allowing you to see what your partner can see. To impersonate a partner, first navigate to Partners and Manage. On the right side of the partner you wish to impersonate, you will find 3 vertical dots. Clicking this button will show you an option to impersonate. If the partner has a user created already, this will allow you to impersonate one of the partner users. You can also impersonate a partner by going to the Partners page. Under the Users tab, click the 3 vertical dots on the right to impersonate a user of your choice. Now you can impersonate a partner and access the partner portal.